beautiful people. It's me, Teacher Nicole.
How are you today?
We are here for another wonderful day of preschool. So, let's head to the activity center.
Friends, come on with me.
1, 2, 3. Woohoo! We made it back to the activity center. Well. There's so many new things here today. So let's take a look around and see what we can start with. How about we start with our letter of the day? Come on, friends, let's go. So our letter of the day is the letter B. Everybody say B. The letter B makes this sound. B, 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 b. Did you know that the word butterfly also starts with the letter B? We are going to make a beautiful butterfly in the color of the day, which is the color blue. As you can tell, the color blue starts with the letter B. Yes, so I have colored my butterfly beautiful blue and beautiful brown. So just go ahead and cut out the pieces, trace the letters at the bottom, and voila! We have our butterfly! I added some lines at the top for his antenna. Alright, let's see what else starts with the letter B. This next activity is sure to be fun! We are just simply going to trace the letter B. You can use a marker, you can use a crayon, you can use a pencil, whatever you'd like. We're going to do the big B and the lowercase b, as you can see me doing here. Alright, so next grab some scissors and your glue sticks, and we are going to cut out the pictures at the bottom. We're going to figure out which pictures go in the boxes and which things start with the letter B. Hey friends, so I want to take a moment to let you know that I am using my computer to make this go faster. But when you're doing activities at home or at school, please take your time. There is no rush. Okay, let's get back to the activity. So we have a picture of a banana, which starts with the b sound. So we're gonna put it right in the square. Next we have a picture of a cat. A cat does not have the b sound, so let's cross that out. Next is the picture of a bus, which goes in the square. Then we have a picture of a bear. I'm sure you can hear the B sound with that. We have a bird, and then we have an ant. An ant doesn't have that sound that we're looking for, so we're going to put that to the side, and instead we're going to put the ball in the last square. And ta-da! We are finished! Yay! Thank you so much for doing this with me. Hey, quick question. Do you like to bake? If so, I hope that you get a chance to do some baking at home. Baking is so fun. And guess what, friends? Baking starts with the letter B. The letter B is our letter of the day. Please remember that oftentimes when we do bake sweet treats at home, they include things like sugar. Sugar is something that can get caught in our teeth, And so it's very important that we brush our teeth at least 2 times a day and floss as well. Brush starts with the letter B. So you see me here with my cat. We're brushing our teeth. We brush it in the rising, sometimes after lunch, and then at nighttime to keep all of the sugar off of our teeth, to keep them white and to take care of them. Speaking of taking care of our teeth, let's do some coloring. This is called I Can Take Care of My Teeth. Next, we're going to turn the page and it says, I can floss my teeth. I hope you know how to floss because flossing helps get out all of the things that get stuck in between, things that we can't even see. Flossing also helps prevent cavities or prevents bacteria from getting stuck in between the teeth. I am going to color my tooth yellow because a lot of things like plaque can get stuck on the outside of our teeth, and that's why flossing and brushing our teeth are so important. So the next page says, I can brush my teeth. So I'm just coloring the toothpaste and the toothbrush in the color of the day, which is blue. Blue starts with the letter B, just like brushing. Next, one of the things that can help also prevent cavities or prevent your teeth from hurting is to eat healthy foods. So this page says, I can eat healthy foods. So healthy foods include things like lots of fruits and vegetables, green vegetables. So on this page we see things like strawberries, apples, oranges, bananas, and broccoli. Guys, did you know that fruit is like God's candy and it has natural sugar that does not hurt our teeth the same way that sugar from sweet treats or candy does. That's why it's important to eat lots of fruit and vegetables. My favorite fruit are blueberries. Blueberry starts with the letter B. What's your favorite fruit, friends? Whatever it is, I'm sure it's awesome. Alright friends, I will see you next time. Thanks so much for being here with me. Shalom friends. Join us next time on Harmony Playhouse and don't forget to subscribe.